So yes, it's been a typical busy Thursday at the Mark 1 unit. Brandon and Steve have been on with the Defender, Doug's on in here with the Transit for the injectors, which might be a bit of a late one. But yeah, ticking over nicely, and if you do want to book in, feel free to give us a call, or even just do the online booking system. We've got the online booking system in place now. It's dead easy to use. Even when you've actually done it on, like, even the Facebook page, it'll take you straight to a link and it'll basically say, hey, do you want to meet? Put your in your calendar on your phone, bang, straight away, save, done. So yeah, it's getting easier. So yeah, back to work and some more shots because I've got a little bit on. How are you finding working on Land Rovers today?
Next question, please.
Next question. Do you like Land Rovers?
Pass.
Pass? No. Should we get back to working on Hondas?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's just business as usual here. Got quite a big Land Rover Defender in, getting like front end rebuilt now, so that's new stuff, and stuff like that. Wheel bearings, bits and pieces like that. There's a clever bit of kit as well. See, in the other room we've got diesel injectors getting done on a Transit that's come in. And yeah, but if you do want to book in, check the Facebook, check the website, check the Instagram, check the number, check the link, check everything, because Thursday's a late one, and as you can see, yeah.
That's it.
Go on then.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Oh shit. Need to do what?
A sweat cam.
A sweat cam. This is my moment. Also, there's one other thing as well. Connor's BMW 3 Series. Remember, a while back we actually had a video of me and Doug unloading a load of BMW M3 E92 parts into downstairs. Well, everything from that is possibly going onto that running gear. We've got brakes, wishbone suspension, and there's a couple of ideas bouncing around for IDs on engines as well. So that's another little thing to look out for. And also, update on the Honda Jazz. Hate it. Don't really, it's still a daily. Skyline is back together, moving under its own steam, which is good. We've got some pork product here, which haven't really looked around this, but yeah, it's getting some bits done, and there also, but that's something I really don't know about right now, so I can't really comment on it. So yeah, a few bits around here. We've also obviously got Stephen still tidying up because it's always nice, like nice clean workplace. Spring clean before home time. Everything nice and tidy, and bits and pieces. I got all the parts ready here for tomorrow as well. So we've got what parts are these, Steve?
We have front swivel hub assembly.
Yep.
Plenty new bearings, new gaskets, new seals.
Yep.
Also got a front stub axle.
Yep.
New bearings there. Got a new drive flange.
Yep.
We've also got a pair of here's the boxes. Half shafts.
Oh, cool.
Long one, short one on the other side.
Yeah. So everything's just while everything's in bits, you might as well just do it all, kind of thing.
That's it, yeah.
Yep.
Probably replace that disc as well because
it's
not really discing.
Oh, it's not discing very well, but yeah. Obviously, like, this Defender's getting some treatment in the works in there, so all the parts are waiting. Steve's working his magic on the front hubs today. All come off in the end, ready to fly back together tomorrow. And yeah, outstanding work as usual, because these were definitely in need of changing. So yeah, so Steve will be lashing on with that tomorrow, and it'll be a nice chill Friday, hopefully, won't it, Steve?
Hope so. Hope so. I like your positivity.
Yeah, we'll just keep the positivity around here. But yeah, hopefully that should fly back together. Another happy customer, another one out the door. Good quality and workmanship done, good parts used. That's what it's all about. So yeah, win-win.